Shadows drowning out my song, but your whisper cut the silence. Yeshua, you made me strong. Yeshua, hold me closer, never let me go again. Yeshua, lift me higher.
Do not be afraid.
Heal the
I am with you.
pieces deep within. You're the reason that I breathe, the hope my soul believes forever. Yeshua.